Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Today, we're going to work on comprehension. We're going to listen to 3 short statements. And you have to understand what these statements are about. To help you, these 3 statements are based on the 3 last episodes. So, if you have skipped or if you have not listened to one of the previous episodes, I will strongly suggest to go back and listen to them. We did work on how to use the proper articles in French sentences. We also work on how to perfectly pronounce the letter U in French. And we also learn new words and new nouns around French food for fall. I'll play each statement twice so you have time to understand. If you are just joining the podcast is dedicated to beginners and travelers to help you speak French and understand French before you go to France. You can go on the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com to find the transcript. Okay, so we have 3 different persons with us. We have Julie, Arnaud, et Louise. How about we start with Julie?
Moi, je mange des escargots, du poulet et de la citrouille. Et bien sûr, je bois du champagne. À l'automne, j'aime beaucoup les figues, les châtaignes et les pommes, mais je n'aime pas les noisettes et le raisin. Moi, je mange des escargots, du poulet et de la citrouille. Et bien sûr, je bois du champagne. À l'automne, j'aime beaucoup les figues, les châtaignes et les pommes, mais je n'aime pas les noisettes et le raisin.
Did you understand, Julie? All right, I will translate for you. Julie said, I eat snails, chicken, and pumpkin. And of course, I drink champagne. During fall, I really like figs, chestnuts, and apples, but I don't like hazelnuts and grapes. Alright, so let's remember something important. As you notice, in English, I said I eat snails, chicken, and pumpkin. In French, remember, after verbs such as to eat, to take, to have, or to want, you always say some, which translate into du, de la, des, ou de l'apostrophe in French. Are you ready for the next statement? We're about to listen to Arnaud, so I'll take a short break and I'll be right back. Are you ready to speak French?
Moi j'aime la charcuterie, le raisin, les pommes, et quand je suis au restaurant, je prends du couscous et des crudités. Et surtout, j'aime beaucoup les prunes, les mûres et le pamplemousse, mais je n'aime pas le potiron et les champignons. Moi j'aime la charcuterie, le raisin, les pommes, et quand je suis au restaurant, je prends du couscous et des crudités. Et surtout, j'aime beaucoup les prunes, les mûres et le pamplemousse, mais je n'aime pas le potiron et les champignons.
Alors, did you understand Arnaud? Did you understand what he said? Maybe you heard some of the nouns in pronunciation with the sound U, les prunes, les crudités, la charcuterie. So, he said, I like cold cuts, crepes, apples, and when I'm at the restaurant, I have couscous and a plate of grated vegetables. And above all, I like a lot plums, blackberries, and grapefruit, but I don't like pumpkin and mushrooms. You've noticed that he said j'aime les prunes, les mûres et le pamplemousse. Whenever you express a like or a dislike in French, you always use le, la ou les before the noun, even if it doesn't appear in English. Alors, maintenant, nous allons écouter Louise. Now, we're going to listen to Louise.
Au restaurant, moi, je prends des frites ou de la ratatouille. Et aussi, j'adore manger de la glace en dessert. Mais chez moi, je cuisine des figues. Ceci dit, je déteste la citrouille et le raisin. Au restaurant, moi, je prends des frites ou de la ratatouille. Et aussi, j'adore manger de la glace en dessert. Mais chez moi, je cuisine des figues. Ceci dit, je déteste la citrouille et le raisin.
Merci, Louise. Alors, did you understand, Louise? Louise said, at the restaurant, I have fries and ratatouille, and also I love eating ice cream for dessert. But at home, I cook figs. We said I had pumpkin and grapes. She used an expression, chez moi. Chez moi means at home. I don't think we studied this before. So again, let's remember, right, that we use le, la, les after likes and dislikes, and we use du, de, la, des after verbs such as vouloir, manger, prendre, boire ou cuisiner. I hope you enjoyed this episode and you were able to improve your comprehension. It's very important to work on all the different aspects of the language: comprehension, pronunciation, reading skills, and of course, grammar. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Make sure to listen a few times to improve your French comprehension, and I hope it was a 5-star experience for you. And as usual, if you have time, leave ratings. You can leave 5 stars, of course, straight in the app. If nobody has told you today, you know that you're just awesome. À la semaine prochaine. See you next week. À bientôt. Merci. Au revoir.